In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Bitcoin in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open MT5 and you want to sign into your broker. Now, the first thing I have to tell you, which is the most important here, is that you may not be able to see Bitcoin or even add it, and that is because your broker does not support it inside MT5. So, for example, if you're using a demo account from MT5, like I am in my case right now, you won't be able to add Bitcoin because it doesn't support crypto. So to actually fix this and to add Bitcoin, you want to sign up for a broker. You can just use like a demo account if you want to. Doesn't even have to be a live account. And you want to sign up for a broker, which essentially allows crypto trading inside MT5. You can just find those brokers online. There's a bunch of different ones. And if you want to know how to connect a specific one to MT5, just go ahead and look on my channel. I have a lot of different videos teaching you how to connect specific brokers to MT5, okay? So whenever you basically sign up for a broker which allows Bitcoin, let me show you how to now enable this. Now, the first thing you have to check if you're not using MetaQuote's demo over here, so the MetaTrader 5 demo account, if you're using any other broker, first make sure you check if Bitcoin can be added before you proceed. So, of course, you may not even have to open a different broker's account. You can go to up top over here where you can see Market Watch. So you can go to View over here and then Market Watch, or press Ctrl+M, and then in here you can see symbols, okay? So the symbols are here. You want to go and basically press Ctrl and U inside this window, and there we go. It's going to open your symbols like this. Now, when you do this here, you'll be able to see there's going to be a bunch of folders, and for me, crypto is not in here. So if I look for example, Bitcoin, so if I go to up here, Bitcoin, as you can see, it's not really going to find the basic BTC USD. Yes, there's a bunch of different ones, but none of them is actually the Bitcoin you're looking for, okay? So in your case, if Bitcoin is going to be here, like maybe like BTC USD or something similar, then of course you can just click on it, and of course you can show the symbol and use it from there. But if your account doesn't have this, and if you're on a broker, you'll unfortunately have to sign up for a different broker, just like a demo account is going to be fine, to be able to add Bitcoin, okay? So let me actually do this for you. I'm going to go to File, top left, and I'm going to go to Open an Account, and I'm going to do this with my demo account on Trader's Way because I actually opened a demo account for this purpose, so I can show you how to do this. I'm going to connect over here. I'm going to sign in with my password and, of course, login number, and I'm going to select Demo and then Finish. There we go. As you can see, I'm now signed in, and if I go to Market Watch, I can now press Ctrl U, and then in here, as you can see, Bitcoin USD is actually over here. So I'll be able to find it inside my Market Watch over here. So I can just click on it like this, and it's going to basically populate when you click on Show Symbol, and now it's going to be in here. As you can see, there's BTC USD. I can double click it to trade it. I can right click to basically show the chart window, etc. Okay, which is amazing. So that's the best way to add Bitcoin in MetaTrader 5. If I summarize this, there's really just two steps. You have to sign up for a broker which allows Bitcoin trading inside MetaTrader 5, and the second step is basically signing in or connecting it to MT5, and then of course adding it on here to your Market Watch the way I showed you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.